This is the new Smart number 1 by Brabus. The design of the sporty EV is clearly distinguished from the standard models by a body kit with performance-inspired spoilers at the front and rear, striking side skirts, 19 or 21-inch Brabus Monoblock light alloy wheels, door sill trims with backlit Brabus logo and Brabus aluminum pedals, as well as high-quality black velour floor mats and a trunk mat. Thanks to its twin-engine, all-wheel drive powertrain making 430 horsepower and 540 Nm of torque, the new Smart number 1 by Brabus accelerates from standstill to 100 km per hour in just 3.9 seconds, making it the most powerful and fastest Smart ever built. Guys, if you like it, please subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks!